In this video, I'll be doing some busy work whilst I await the arrival of some parts. Some parts that, once installed, means that I can finally start this engine for the first time. So the radiator is about a week away, so while I'm waiting for that, I thought I might put my attention on these bumper bar brackets. Not only are they, a bit dirty and rusty, but they've got this sort of dried up sealant, and some of these, well, they're both missing a captive nut, so I'll have to weld one of them on just so I can have all three mounting points. Then give them a paint and put the rear bumper bar on. Okay, so they've been cleaned up all right. Now because the hole that's missing the captive nut has been elongated, what I'm going to do is I'm going to test fit it first here. Put the bolt in, the nut on, and then just give it a little tack and it should stay in place. Okay, that's it for today. Only a couple of hours to get a few little jobs done. Hopefully next video I should be installing the radiator, putting the coolant in, and see if my wiring actually works, so that'll be interesting. Exciting too, because this thing has never started since I've owned it. So yeah, thanks very much. Cheers. See you.